Hello guys, today we are going to do this experiment, simulation of experiment 7, which is simulation of overcurrent relay. First we have to click on this link. Then we have to set this clock to the initial position by clicking this plus sign. Yes, now it is on its initial position. Now you have to take any plug setting like 2.50, 3.755, 5.00, any of these, and you have to take 5 reading or 6 reading for each plug setting. So first we take 2.50 plug setting and we will increase the current, relay current. Note, here you have to take relay current above the 2.50 and the relay current value will be above the plug setting and less than or equal to 15 ampere. So this program only work till 15 ampere. So we will now increase the current. Okay, we have taken 5.2 ampere and now the clock is rotating. Now we have to wait till the clock stop. So look here, the clock has stopped and you can see the stop clock value is 34.3 seconds. And so here you have noted the plug setting value 2.50, then the relay current 5.2 ampere and the stop clock value 34.3, which is also tripping time, and relay current is also known as fault current. You can say plug setting has a plug setting current too. Now we have to decrease the current to the zero so the clock can go to its initial position. So look, as we taken the zero value, the clock is going to its initial position. Now we have to wait till the clock goes to its initial position. Yeah, right. Now we have to take another relay current value for this plug setting. Now we will take 7 ampere. So we have increasing the current to the 7 ampere. And now we have to again wait till the stop gets stopped. I mean till the clock gets stopped. Thus now you can see the value of tripping time is 20.3 seconds and you have to note it down. Now take the third value of relay current, but at first we have to take it as 0 ampere so the clock can get to its initial position. Yes, now it's time to take another value of current. We will take like 9. You can take any value between 2.6 to 15. So its value is 18.8 second. Here you can see as you are increasing the value of relay current, the stop clock value is decreasing. Note it down and then again to the 0. Now we will take the relay current value to the 10 ampere. (15.2 seconds). So you can see at the last step it was 18.8 and now it is 15.2. So yes, it's decreasing. Now to the initial position. Wait. And now increase current. We will take now 12 ampere. And its value is 14.2 seconds. Back to initial position. (14 ampere). Tripping time is 11.8 seconds. Now we have taken 6 readings for the plug setting current. Now we will take another value of plug current like 3.75. No, we will take 5 ampere. But first we have to reach the initial position. And note, if you take relay current value below to the plug current setting, like we are taking 2 ampere, 2.4, but the stop current doesn't increase, doesn't, sorry, stop clock value doesn't increase. Look, it's 0. So we have to take the value of relay current more than plug setting. So this time we are taking 6 ampere. takes lots of time, but you have to wait till the clock gets stopped. You don't have to click any other button between the clock rotating at the anti-clockwise. So here the value is 90.7 seconds. So you have to take, like we take 2.505, then we take 7.5 and 10. For these four values of plug setting, we will take 6 reading by changing the relay current. And after we get the tripping time for all of these, we will plot a graph between the current versus time.